Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I am going to do my last and final unboxing of the Boxycharm box. I do have two of them. I have the premium size and I do have the premium and the regular sizes here to unbox for you. So yeah, I have canceled Boxycharm. We are going through the COVID crisis. My husband and I are really trying to cut back on everything, including all of my spending, which I haven't been doing much of at all. He hasn't either, and we're really trying to save as much money as we can right now. We both are working still. I work at a hospital. My husband works for the post office, so we're trying to make this work. And so far we have been able to. My work is working with me quite a bit to try to get my husband to be able to work more days. We do have a son, an 8-year-old, and yeah, it's getting to be quite overwhelming, but hopefully this COVID stuff will be away sooner than later. I am so sick of it. Anyways, let's unbox these two. I'm gonna do this smaller original box first. I know in June they have the Luxe box, and I'm kind of over all this extra stuff coming into my life right now. I did end up canceling the Allure beauty box, so I will not be getting one from April as well. So at this point, the only box I'm getting is the Walmart brand share box, which I will share at the very end of this video. So if you're not interested in that, then Boxycharm comes first. So this is the original box. So the theme is, what's the theme? I don't know. It just says Boxycharm. Okay, festival vibes is the theme for this month, and it shows all the products that we got here. So let's go through them. I'm really kind of excited to try this because I have not tried it. It is the Professional Hydrating Primer from Benefit. And yeah, I'm so glad I didn't get the original Professional because that I had to give away. I had samples of it. I had a full size. I just cannot wear it. It pills up on my skin. It makes me so much worse than I originally am. So I'm excited to try the hydrating version. And this retails for $32. Okay, I did get the 4-piece brush set from Lavish. And I don't ever mind getting brushes in boxes. I do have quite a few brushes right now, so I really didn't need any more. But we'll roll with this. I'll definitely be able to get these used in my collection. We have 5 different styles here. I don't foresee myself using this one at all, but that's the only one I have with that kind of shape. And then the other end of this little angled one has a little spoolie at the end, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, not my favorite. They're not super incredibly soft, especially these smaller ones are kind of rough actually. And they are shedding already, which is really disappointing. But yeah, we'll try them out. This 5-piece set retails for $29.99. I would never pay that without having touched them, feel them, and use them. But yeah, they're okay. I would have honestly rather have gotten the Luxie brushes. I don't know if those were an option, but I would have rather gotten Luxie brushes, if that makes sense. Okay. Then we got something that I'm probably never gonna wear. It's from Baddington Lashes. And what style is this? This is in the style Harlow 3D Silk Lashes with mini lash glue. So Harlow, I'm assuming, Harlow 3D. They are quite crazy looking. I think I am gonna keep this one because it does come with a lash glue, and I think I might test these out. I don't know. If I don't test them out within 6 months, I will give them to a friend or put them in a giveaway or try to sell them. But yeah, why am I getting lashes? I'd never wear them. So these lashes retail for $31, which I would never spend that much money on eyelashes. Then I have an illuminator. This is from Iconic London. It is the original illuminator, and I did swatch this on my hand when I first opened the box, and I did quite enjoy this. It is really, really glowy. And this retails for $41, which is quite a hefty price tag. And then the last and definitely not least item in the box that I'm actually super, super excited about, and this pretty much pays for the whole box in my opinion. So everything else I kind of got for free. I paid for this, and that's how I'm trying to think of it. It's from Zoeva, and it is the Blanc Fusion palette. And I did take a peek at it, and it looks like a beautiful, beautiful light summery palette. Oh, she is gorgeous, super neutral, super natural looking, and pretty light colors actually. So I think this would be able to work for pretty much every skin tone. And I'm kind of excited about this one. I do have to add it to my inventory, but I'm really, really happy that I got the Zoeva palette because I was hoping I was gonna get one of these. Okay guys, so that was everything in the first box. Like I said, it wasn't super exciting in my opinion. It was okay. I'm kind of glad I'm getting rid of it. And then I have the premium box, which I was also a little underwhelmed by all the different spoilers they had. I feel like I got some of the worst products besides one. I'll show you what I mean. So this is the same theme, that festival vibes, with the same kind of pamphlet here of all of the items that you got. And this box I believe is $35 and the original is $25. I think I'm pretty close on the prices there. So let's look at what we got here. So we got the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I will end up probably testing this out and seeing how, I don't know, seeing if I like it or not. But yeah, I mean, I could have gone without this. That IGK spray retails for $32. And then I got something that I have gotten before, I think like twice before in my boxes. It's the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I still haven't tested out the other mascaras that I have, so I'll have to bring this into my inventory and in my collection. This retails for $26, and we've definitely gotten these before in Boxycharm, so it was kind of a disappointing product in my opinion, because I don't know if I like it yet, and also I've gotten many of these, so I do love Wander Beauty though, and I'm glad to support them. Then we got a brand that I've never heard of. It's from Lavido, Inspired by Nature, Age Away Replenishing Cream with grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. What is melissa? Is there a woman in here? Who knows? It does say 100% natural, dermatologically tested, paraben-free. It says vegan, recyclable, all that good stuff. Yes to things and no to things. So here's a little list of like the benefits of it. And this retails for $69. That is, holy crap, expensive. And it is made in Israel, so I don't know. I don't know, guys. I would never spend that kind of money on this. Like, it just looks so plain. I don't know. Like I said, this is kind of one of the reasons why I'm getting rid of this box, is that I'm just not getting products that I'm super excited about anymore, except for that Zoeva palette, which, to be honest, I could have bought that at any time if I wanted to. So, I don't know. And for another disappointing product, probably because they couldn't sell these ones, which is even more annoying to me for some reason. This is the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I would have loved to try this in a color that would have made sense for me. This one's in Hidden Talents. I'm never gonna wear this color, you guys. I mean, when would I wear that? I don't know. I have another one of this brand, but in a better color. So if I love, love, love this style of lip gloss it is, like how it wears and, you know, the stickiness and the hydration-ness of it, I could consider keeping this one because I did get rid of all of my like red tone lip glosses, but I don't need this in my life. I don't need it. So that lip gloss retails for $21, which I would never ever spend that kind of money on a lip gloss unless it was one that I like literally love. So then we have something from Peach and Lily. This is quite hefty feeling. It is the Good Acids Pure Pore Toner, gently exfoliate and balance with AHA and turmeric. It does say it is cruelty-free and vegan. So I don't know. I haven't really tried anything from Peach and Lily, but I have heard some really, really good reviews on them. This retails for $39. Oh my God, it's a glass bottle and it looks beautiful. It is like a blue toner. I could jump on this. Like, I could really get into using this one. Oh my God, I just love the glass. It's like a frosty glass. Oh. Ah. It is a little dabber style bottle, which I guess I'm not mad at, but I don't know, you guys. This looks absolutely amazing. I am excited to see the reviews on that, to see what people are thinking, but I do have a toner that's almost gone, so I'm probably gonna work on something like this after and see what I think. The final thing in the box is something that I was actually super excited to get because I know I love it already. It's from Farmacy. It is the Honey Potion. It is a renewing antioxidant hydrating mask, and I am definitely excited that I got this one. I hate it when I can't open things unless I break something, which it's really annoying to me to break packaging, which it shouldn't be, but it just really is. Okay, something really cool about this. This is magnetic to here, so it won't fall off or get lost, which I super appreciate. And gosh, this looks beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. I do have another full size that is actually open and in use right now. So that is what it looks like. It is such a good hydrating mask, especially if you are a dry gal like me. I am very dry and something like this is perfect for my skin for, you know, everyday use. I would not use this every day. I pretty much use mine like once a week, once every other week, and a little goes a very long way. You don't need a lot. So I do really appreciate this. This is cruelty-free, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, mineral oil-free. This is a really, really good brand and a great product. So definitely excited about this one, and I would actually recommend this one to you guys. So happy about that. This one does retail for $38. So in my opinion, once again, this pretty much has paid for the box and everything else I got for free. So I do really enjoy this and I'm glad I got it. Okay guys, so since I'm not doing any more unboxing videos, I just wanted to show you what I got in my Walmart brand share box for the spring edition, I believe. So I got quite a few little things. Once again, I could definitely go without this box, but it's kind of fun. I got the Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White. So I've never tried a spray deodorant, so okay. So we will see on that one. Then I have the Curel Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer. This will turn into a hand cream for me simply because of the size. And I do like Curel's Wet Skin Moisturizer, so I could jump on that. Then I have something from Color Club. I believe it's the Future of Color Nail Lacquer. And I was trying to find a shade name. I don't see a shade name on here, so I will pull it out. Ooh, it's like a dark blue. This is pretty. It's, I don't know. I don't know what shade this is. This is made in the USA, which makes me really happy. It just says 1074, so I don't know that that's the shade name or not, but it is this super, super dark blue color, and I'm excited to try that out. I have never tried this brand before, so we'll see how that goes. I have something from NYX. It is the Makeup Crew. So I have two of the soft matte lip creams, one of them in the original formula, one of them in the metallic formula. Interesting. These are in the shade California, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. I could definitely jump on board with these. And I do like the NYX lip formula. I really love their butter gloss, so I can get on board with this and test these out and try them. The final thing that we got is a Colgate Optic White Renewal High Impact White, I don't know, toothpaste. And I typically don't use Colgate. It is not like a sensitive formula by any means. I don't know, I might try this out. I do bring these little small ones to work with me, so I don't have a full-size toothpaste at work. But yeah, that was the last thing in here. You do get a couple coupons in there as well. I thought I had gotten a face mask, but I don't see it in here, so if I did, I have already put it away. So that was everything that we got in the Walmart brand share box. Do I think it's worth $5? Not typically. More than anything, I'm just supporting the fact that they're doing it and the fact of, you know, doing something different and making it kind of fun for the store. So But that was everything. I did cancel Boxycharm, like I said. I canceled Allure, I canceled Birchbox, I canceled Sephora Play, I have canceled Ipsy, I have canceled every single box that I have now except for the Walmart one, which is $5 every quarter. I don't think that's too much, and I'm kind of happy with my decision. I am saving like over $170 every month by doing this, and I'm really happy about that because now I can kind of save up for different things. Like I said, we have vacations coming up. We have different things that we're saving for. We want to do some home renovations. And I think this is a good way to kind of put some money into savings and to build up my, you know, financial profile a little bit from being so down, especially at a time of need like this. I don't need more things coming into my life. So anyways, I hope you guys are okay with that. And, you know, I might pick up some of these boxes at a different time, but as of right now, I am happy to be getting rid of all of them right now. And if I want something in the future, I'll just buy it. It's not a big deal because I am saving that $170 a month. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this last unboxing video from me. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.